The outstanding Rivera floor plan offers more than 2,600 square feet of space that the whole family will enjoy. As you make your way past the inviting front entryway, you can't help but notice the hardwood floors, architectural design, and high-vaulted ceilings. The front entrance opens up to a formal study and large dining room for all those great family gatherings. As you walk past the formal dining room, you'll find yourself in a large living area, which is complete with a custom stone fireplace. Right off the living room, you'll find the kitchen of your dreams, equipped with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, chef's island, and beautiful breakfast nook to get your morning started with style. You'll be amazed when you enter the spacious owner's retreat, which is located right off the living room and formal study. The master bath comes equipped with a walk-in closet, dual vanities, walk-in shower, and jetted garden tub. When you make your way up the staircase, you'll notice the tremendous level of design put into this outstanding First Texas floor plan. The game room offers a wide-open layout and can be upgraded with a bar and built-in shelving. If you're looking for entertainment, look no further. This home comes complete with large theater room and surround sound pre-wire. This home also includes a large covered patio, perfect for backyard barbecues and spending time outdoors with your friends and family.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.